Hello, my fellow second graders. As you can see, when you came in on the board, it says we are going to be having a review game today of what we have learned about addition and subtraction. So please split up into teams, left side versus right side. Come up with a team name and we will begin in just a few minutes. So I can see that y'all have come up with some names. Team 1, you're going to be the ladybugs. Team 2, you're going to be the monkeys. The way this game is going to work, class, is there's going to be two different problems. One person from each team is going to come up and work the problem. Whoever is correct and the fastest will get a point for their team. And the team that gets 5 points wins a treat. Does that sound good? Awesome. Do we have a couple volunteers who would like to go first? Jimmy, Susan, come up. So Jimmy, you will be the blue. Susan, you will be the green. And go. Alright, let's check these answers, shall we? 5 plus 5 is 10, so they put the 0 down, carry the 1. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus the extra mark there makes it 10. That is 100. That is right. But let's see if your companion, your partner, person you're going up against, I shall say, is correct. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 1 is not 6. It is supposed to be 5. So team 1, you got that point. Good job. Now, let's make this a little bit more difficult, shall we? A little bit harder questions. Go ahead and decide who's going to be coming up next while I get all of this erased. Alright, I've changed the colors up just a little bit, so it's going to be okay. Team 1, Team 2, who are the players playing for you next? Mike? Molly? Come on up. Mike, you will be the green. Molly, you will be the blue. And begin when you're ready. Alright, let's see what we got here. 8 minus 5. It's not 2, it's supposed to be 3, so that's already wrong. But let's see if player 2 got it right. 7 minus 5, that is supposed to be a minus, is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7, so that is correct. So we have a winner. So right now it's a tie game. Let's keep going, shall we? Alright. These are gonna be maybe just a little bit harder, but it's meant to challenge you. Now, I'm gonna say this before someone comes up here. Remember what we discussed about carrying and having to borrow. So in this case, some of these you're gonna have to borrow from the next column. So remember that when you're doing these problems. Okay, and I didn't do these in two different colors, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Next ones, John, Mark. John, you will do 37 minus 18. Mark, you will do 48 minus 29. Okay, and feel free to do in any color you like. Okay, let's check these answers. So, your team 1 was 37 minus 18. Obviously, you cannot do 7 minus 8, so you need to come over here and borrow from the 3 and make it a 2 and make that a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so that is correct. But let's just see if the other team got it right as well. So they did the right thing. They borrowed from the 4, changed that to 3, and that to an 18. But 18 minus 9 is not 7, it's 8. So therefore, that problem is wrong. So team 2 got a point. Awesome job. Ready to go, ladybugs. Monkeys, you're still in the game. We are running a little short on schedule here. So, we are going to do a couple more questions to give the monkeys a chance to come back. And then we will be done with the lesson. Actually, you know what? We'll just do one more because we're running that really short on time. If the ladybugs get this, then they win. If the monkeys get this one, then we have a tie game and everybody wins. Alright? Okay. And oh, okay, come on up. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do this. Alright, so go. Okay, so 6 plus 5 is 11, so you're going to put the 1 there and carry. 4 plus 3 is 7. Add the 1, that makes it 8. That is correct. But let's see if they are. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 5 is, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 over. So that means we have a winner. The fellow ladybugs. Congratulations. Please go home and review for a test that we'll have tomorrow on these addition and subtractions. Y'all have a wonderful day.